everybody! Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Lainey. Today we're going to be doing a super requested video that I have been blatantly ignoring, which is work appropriate outfits. The reason I've not wanted to do this is because I've only had one internship where I was actually in an office, but even that, it was at this post-production company, and you basically got to wear whatever you want. And then my other internship was at a tickets office for selling football tickets, and I had a uniform. I don't know how to dress for the office, but my friends have big girl jobs. I've been, studying what they're wearing, look at what they put together for office wear, and I'm gonna do my very best. I was supposed to have a big girl office job, and then Corona hit, and everything went. But before we get into this video, I want to say thank you so much to Everlane for sponsoring this video. They're the perfect sponsorship for wanting office-appropriate clothes that you're still gonna wear in your day-to-day life. I didn't go out and buy clothes that I thought were gonna be office-appropriate. I just took what I had in my closet and thought, how could I make this appropriate for the workplace? So first we have these little cigarette cut jeans from Everlane and this basic white tee from Everlane. I think starting with something that fits you really nicely, makes you look a lot more put together than what I like to do, which is wear everything super baggy. And if I was going to work, I would genuinely probably push the limits and try and wear what I'm most comfortable in outside of work. When I was thinking of this outfit, it screams like 90s model off duty kind of look. And I think that could get you passed for like business casual. They're a darker wash jean. They're basically black jeans, so they feel a little more dressed up to me. They have no rips, but this is something that I could totally get away with if I was going into my profession, which I might one day still, who knows. These little kitten heels are a pair I just thrifted, and they're so freaking cute with like the super trendy square toe. I got them for $3. They look really youthful, but the heels dress it up a little bit more. And then if you need to take it that extra step, sometimes a t-shirt and jeans like this would be like a Friday outfit. You can add a little cardigan. This one's actually from Everlane too, but I've had it for I think over a year now. And they're just such nice quality. These pieces stay in my closet forever, and they're pieces that my mom and I actually share this cardigan. I had to go and get it out of her closet. Like, Everlane is such a versatile brand where I think if you're buying clothes for work, Everlane's a place where you can buy them, but you know you're still gonna wear them your day-to-day life, which is so important. Get the most use out of your clothes, people. Now it's just a little bit more dressed up. I don't like the heels with it with the sweater. Let me change them. My little loafers, these ones are from Zara. I think loafers are the ultimate shoe to have if you're going into the office. Again, this isn't aggressive or overtly out there. You still blend in, you look professional, but youthful and cutesy. This whole wardrobe ended up turning into like a capsule wardrobe because everything goes together. And that was totally not on purpose, but we're gonna vibe with it, who cares? The loafers still look really cute with just a white t-shirt and jeans. I think I'm gonna get some comments where people are like, my job would never let me wear that, blah, 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 blah. Well, have you tried? That's my genuine question. Have you tried? Just because nobody else is doing it sometimes doesn't mean that it's not allowed. It's just that nobody else did that. If I was going into the office, I'd be wearing cowboy boots, and I don't care. I don't care what anybody else says. I think that this is a really cute look. Do you guys think I'm crazy? So this is just a vintage gray blazer, and I kind of look like a jockey. I think that especially if you had a blazer that fit you a little better, I, again, like my stuff so oversized, but if my blazer was here, or even if you had one of the like crop blazers, you look less like a jockey, and it might feel a little bit more professional to you. Okay, next. The t-shirt on under the sweater vest still, and then I added these trousers from NAKD. I got them, I want to say 3 years ago. I'm pretty sure they're still on the website. I wear them all the time. I really think they would be my go-to if I was going into an office, and then adding them with my little loafers. This is be an outfit I'd wear a lot. Again, I think I've shown this outfit before when saying like going back to the office. I think my one gripe about it was my sweater vest being a little more like fitted or cropped, which we totally do, and it might feel just a little bit more professional. Here are another pair of trousers. These ones are thrifted that just look really cute with the white t-shirt. You can add on the matching suit coat. Obviously these were thrifted together because they match perfectly. Cute! I love this look. Ugh, I think I'd wear it more. It's just not so aggressive. Like this looks like a zoot suit. Do you guys know what that is? The shoulder pads and just it being so oversized. Office look, so easy, no effort because it's already put together. I don't really have much to say with the loafers. The loafers, you guys, if you're going back into the office, maybe it's like your first time you started work from home, I feel like loafers are just gonna be your best friend. I wanna show you guys shoes other than just the loafer, but the loafer is so good. Shoes I forgot I had because I don't wear them in the summer. If you wanna be a little more youthful, I think that this is so cute. Okay, so here it is with these little shoes. Maybe if the loafers are just a little too bland for you, a pair of like leather tennis shoe kind of things, sneakers. Like the Doc Marten ones, even a pair of Docs, and then your trousers just fall over the top. It'll look like that. And then I think a trench coat is an absolute must. The thing is, it's just like you're not going to be wearing this all day. I think that this is really super cute, especially because these pants have like little pinstripes, and then this has the herringbone, and I think that the patterns like clashing is really cute. These are another pair of jeans from Everlane. They're a new style that they just got, and they're these really like wide leg, long jeans. Again, I think that these look a little more older and professional just with the cut. I think this cigarette style and this style are like a must-have in your wardrobe if you're going into the office. And they're a darker wash, so I feel like they look a little bit more professional. I'm not gonna just put the loafers on, even though I really want to. I'm gonna put on my little $3 thrifted shoes again. So these actually used to have like a little strap around the ankle, and it cut off my ankle and made me look stubby, so I just cut it off. And now they're so cute. And I still got to keep the back strap, and now they just like hook over my heel so nicely. Okay, isn't this cute? Just with these little shoes. This is kind of a rendition of the first outfit we put on. Okay, so to spice it up a little bit, I have this mesh top that I thrifted. I think that this outfit looks super work appropriate. You could totally wear with nothing underneath. Very 90s inspired with the little kitten heels. Did I already say this? I know a lot of people probably wouldn't want to wear heels to work. I think that I could so get away with these little heels all day. I did point when I was younger for way too long, and now my feet are just completely numb. But you could always wear the loafers, or ballet flats are coming back, and I don't hate them. Sue me. I don't think I'll get a pair, but I don't hate them. Cute. Let's take this off. I swear I'm gonna change the white shirt soon. It's just so easy to layer with and keep it on. And I think like layering it under everything and just having that high collar look helps a lot. So here is that green leather blazer again with the outfit. Again, I think it's super cute. I love these shoes, you guys. Do you think they're ugly? Be honest. Because I won't care. Honestly, all of these I'd still like wear day to day. I mean, I own all the clothes. I obviously wear them. I'd still wear all these together. I think it's cute. Is there anything else I want to do with these jeans? Literally any of the other pieces. We could put that sweater vest on. You know what? We're going to do it real quick. We could also do the little cardigan. I just don't feel like it. You guys understand. Cute. And with the little... Cute! And with the little heels, it's a little bit more feminine, even though we've got the baggier pants and the baggier sweater vest. I think if we added the loafers with it, it would be a totally different look. And then also, when I was at my internships, it was always freezing. I just started leaving like a big sweater there because I was working there in the summer. I just wasn't thinking of bringing a big sweater or a sweater to work or whatever. So if you keep a sweater there and you can drape it over your shoulders like this, and I think it still looks really professional, but then you can also throw it on if you're just really cold. I think this is so cute. Do I like workwear? I'm waiting for the comments where everyone's like, honey, you cannot wear that in the office. Oh, I love this look. I've literally like worn this exact outfit to the bar once. I wore it with little sandal kitten heels instead. But I love the look of a super baggy sweater, baggy pants, and then little kitten heels. Like, this is so cute to me. Like, is this actually inappropriate for work? Like business casual? Just because it's oversized? I can't wrap my head around that. This whole video is just me fighting dress codes, being like, really? You wouldn't let me show up to work like this? I lied, I'm not getting out of my jeans yet. You guys, I'm stupid. I put this shirt outside because I just like steamed it because it was so wrinkly. And I forgot that I had it. And this shirt is probably my favorite thing out of everything I just got from Everlane. Look at it! Look! This white button down is literally so perfect. To me, this is like the epitome of wanting an oversized look still while looking professional. This shirt fits me. It's so obvious that it's just cut to be a little more baggy and boxy. The sleeves stop at my wrist and the cut is a little higher up. It's not like eating me, but we still got this really wide. I think that this shirt is so perfect. You can obviously wear it with nothing underneath, especially because these little boxes perfectly cover your boobs so you wouldn't be like nipping or anything, which I totally understand as being inappropriate for work. But this shirt is something that I'm totally just gonna wear all the time, obviously. And it's one of the shirts where you can wear it as just a shirt on its own or throw it over like a little shacket kind of thing. And then I just paired it with my loafers because I was stressed that I almost forgot it. I'm so sorry. I was trying to gatekeep. I can't just do outfits that like you're expecting. You guys think this is ugly? I love it. I just thrifted these little silk pajama pants and I can't stop wearing them. Now I'm wearing them with little black shoes that fart every time I walk. If I wore it with like a black bag, I feel like the black shoes just go a lot better. Obviously you're not carrying your purse all day at work, but I mean, if you want it to be a fashion show, we can change out the top and then put this little trench on, and then let's change the shoes. I'm trying to stay away from tennis shoes because I feel like if your work outfits aren't really that casual, you can go and just look at like my fall wardrobe, my fall lookbook, and most of those are work appropriate, especially if you get to dress more casual. We're gonna put on these cream tan boots that I thrifted. I really like the look of like an all cream and tan outfit. This look is really fashionable but still super appropriate for work. Sweater over your shoulders like this just to add a little bit more going on so it doesn't look like pajamas. But I don't think they look like pajamas. I tucked the underside of my sweater into my underwire bra and then it sits a little bit like a high-low sweater and just feels a little more put together. But if you want to wear an all baggy outfit like this to work, try putting on a pair of heels. But this is such a cute look. You guys, like, this is really freaking cute. And look at this shoe. Even the black booty is really cute. You don't need to do an all like tan and nude outfit. You can bring in darker colors. Next, we have this little midi dress from Everlane. I think that this is so perfect for a hotter day in the office. I think the first thing obviously that I'm gravitating towards is my big sweater because you guys know this big sweater is my life. I thrifted it. I think this looks so cute. Just draping it over your shoulders to add a little bit of warmth if it's getting cooler out or if it's just cold in the office. I would opt for a pair of boots just to keep myself a little bit warmer. And of course, I am going for the cowboy boot because they're just my absolute favorite. Obviously, you couldn't even do the cowboy boot in the summer. I was just trying to show something different with the loafer. But I think the black cowboy boot with the black midi dress is just super. I've been talking too much. I keep saying the same thing. Here's basically the same outfit we had on at the beginning, but like flip-flopped. Instead of the white t-shirt, we have the black one from Everlane. And instead of the black cigarette pants, we have the blue wash. Obviously, any of like the pieces I put together at the beginning could totally go with this outfit as well. I'm just not gonna do that because it's really repetitive. So I wanted to show how these cigarette jeans are really good for also tucking into any style of boot. Now we've got super layered look. We've got the trench, the blazer, the black t-shirt, jeans, boots. Super cute. I've shown this jumpsuit styled a few ways already, I think. Obviously, tennis shoes is super cute. These boots are super cute, but for work, I'd probably just throw it on with loafers because I love them so much. Cute! I think that this is really cute and work appropriate. And this is what I'm saying about this outfit. I don't have anything else to say. Were all these outfits stupid? That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to check out the description box for all the links to the Everlane items that I showed. Thank you again to Everlane for sponsoring this video. And I'll see you guys in a few days. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. I always forget to say that. Bye. Love you.